Okay, number 1, the dimensions of rectangle A are 6 times the dimensions of rectangle B. How do the areas of the rectangles compare? So again, this is the exact same type of question. Okay, the multiplier is 6. So to find out how much bigger the area is, we square the multiplier. 6 times 6, which is 36. So how do the areas compare? Rectangle A is 36. Let me be more clear. Rectangle, and be very clear. The area of rectangle 1, or A, is 36 times the area of rectangle B. Okay, number 2, a model of a triangle piece of jewelry has an area that is 1/4. So the model is 1/4 the area of the actual jewelry. How do the dimensions of the triangles compare? So they already did the squaring. So we're saying what times what gives us 1/4, and we have to use the same number. So 1/2 times 1/2. Because this time it was asking us about the dimensions, not the area. They gave us the area. The area was 1/4 the size, so the dimensions are half the size. Okay. Number 3, Gina made a rectangular quilt that was 5 feet wide, 6 feet long. 5 feet by 6 feet. Let me switch that so it looks a little better. She used yellow fabric for 30% of the quilt. What was the area of the yellow fabric? Well, 6 times 5, the area is 30 total. And then if we find 30% of that, we need to multiply that by 0.3. And we can make it 0.30, and then that's going to be your answer. Don't forget, move your decimal over 2 places when you get that. Okay, graph y is greater than 3 on the number line. Okay, so I know I'm going to put a circle at 3. Because there's no equal sign underneath, I'm not going to shade that circle in. I'm not going to shade my bubble in. And then y can be anything bigger than 3. All the numbers to the right of 3 are bigger than 3. So your arrow is going to go to the right. And there's my graph, done. The parallelogram below is made from 2 congruent trapezoids. What is the area of the shaded trapezoid? So both trapezoids are equivalent. So you could do one of 2 things. You could, if you like finding if you are familiar with the area of a trapezoid, you can do that formula. Here's base 1, here's base 2, here's the height. Or, if you don't like doing area of a trapezoid, you can do area of the parallelogram, which would be this plus this times this, and then divide by 2. So your choice. Number 6, a rectangle has a length of 24 inches and a width of 36 inches. So rectangle, 24 by 36. A square with side length of 5 inches is cut out. So 5 by 5 is cut out. From the middle and removed, what is the area of the figure that remains? Well, we need to find the area of the whole thing. 36 times 24. You're going to get this answer. Then you're going to find the area of the part that was cut out. 5 times 5. Whoops. Which we all know is 25. And then I'm going to take this 25, and since this was the part that was cut out, I'm going to subtract that from whatever I got for the area of the whole thing, and this will be my final answer. Alrighty. Again, if you have any questions, so please pause the video, raise your hand, get clarification now. All right, thanks again. I'll see you on the next one.